Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Home Assistant with Z-Wave and Aeotec devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Home Assistant installed on your device. Next, purchase a compatible Z-Wave USB stick, such as the Aeotec Z-Stick. Connect the Z-Wave USB stick to your Home Assistant machine. Access the Home Assistant interface by entering its IP address in your web browser. Navigate to the Configuration tab in the sidebar. Select Integrations from the menu. Click on the plus button to add a new integration. Search for Z-Wave in the list of integrations. Choose Z-Wave from the search results. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Z-Wave integration. You may be prompted to specify the Z-Wave USB device path. Typically, this path is something like /dev/ttwazm0 or /dev/ttyusb0. Check the documentation for your specific USB stick for the correct path. Once you've entered the path, click Submit to continue. Home Assistant will now start the Z-Wave network. To add Aeotec devices, put each device into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing a button or toggling a switch on the device. Return to the Z-Wave integration page in Home Assistant. Click on Add Node. Home Assistant will search for available devices nearby. Once your Aeotec device is detected, it will appear on the screen. Follow the prompts to complete the pairing process. Repeat this process for each additional Z-Wave device you want to configure. Once all devices are added, you can organize them into areas or groups. To create automation, select Automations from the Configuration menu. Click on Add Automation to begin setting up your desired automations. Choose triggers and actions based on your Z-Wave devices. For instance, you can configure a motion sensor to trigger a light. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.